Okay, so you guys remember that Amana heat pump that was always freezing up really bad in the wintertime? Never would defrost? Well, it got replaced with a brand new Trane Choice. Sounds like it has an LG scroll compressor. And this unit is a 5-ton from August 2025. And it is a heat pump. There's a reversing valve. Ooh, yeah, that suction line's ice cold. It's working pretty good. Here I have another new Trane Choice. Replaced a Heil. Looks like it has an Alliance scroll compressor. And the suction line is not all that cold. It's cool, but not cold. Here's the energy guide. And this unit is a heat pump. There's a reversing valve right there. It's a 3.5-ton from December of 2025. It's got the Broad Ocean ECM fan motor. And then there's that Heil over there. It was installed in 2023, I think. There's a Trane XE1000 running. It's actually an XE1200, 2001 5-ton. Yeah, that suction line is ice cold. Working really good. There's an Alliance scroll compressor. Here I have a little Carrier Comfort. I don't think I've seen this unit run for a while. I think it has a Copeland scroll compressor. And it looks like it's from 2013. It's a 5-ton. Working really good, nice and cold and sweaty. And there's that Trane Choice that I filmed back in the winter, running in cool mode. That's a 5-ton from 2025. Here are a pair of Lennox units. So that's a 5-ton from 2006. And it's working really good, nice and cold and sweaty. Here's one off. 4 fan blades. And probably a Copeland scroll compressor. And here's the last little trio I'll film. Got that Trane side discharge right there that's running. There's a Trane XR. And then here's this newly installed York LX. It was installed sometime late last year, but it was manufactured in 2022. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, it looks like. Yeah, 4-ton from 2022. And already checked, it's not been running today, sadly. Here's this Trane XR, which is all dented up, as you can see. Not sure how that happened. From 2020, that's a 4-ton. Not sure if you can see down in there, it looks like it has an Alliance scroll compressor, broad ocean ECM fan motor. Man, the suction line's ice cold. And then last but not least, here's this Trane side discharge. Also manufactured in 2020, it's a 4-ton. Yeah, it's also working really good. Alright, guess that'll be about it.